Hello boys, we're back. I said we're doing horizontal. It's a little grain 4.
It's gonna be so good. Okay, so I tuned it. So I got the right balloon shape. It's like an eggplant shape, and you have to squeeze it while you put it to the back of the barrel, and then you push the end of it to puff it back out so that it's touching the walls of it. And that should, it's vacuum sealed right now, it's not coming out. We're at 38 PSI here. This can handle up to 120. When we shoot it, I have a feeling if this does not pop, 60 is going to be a good medium. The furthest I've gotten it to shoot so far without, this is the first vacuum seal test, the farthest I've gotten it to shoot so far without it vacuum sealed like this, all the way down the barrel, just at the end, vacuum sealed, was 25 feet. So this one's scaring me. It's a double stuffed balloon. This one may very well pop. Okay, can you see out there?
Yeah.
Are you able to touch the screen and turn up the brightness?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Definitely just popped it. No, it actually shot up a little. Okay, so right there, I'm gonna squeeze it a little. This is the pump I was telling you about. Set it. 40, about 38 PSI. This is for tires, so it only goes that high. Okay, this is test 2 of the vacuum seal bullet. Bullet is the back of the bullet's about here and ends here. It's a double stuffed 11-inch that's elongated in the shape of an egg. So, 3, 2, 1. And there's the 2. All right, we'll test some more balloons tomorrow.
Well.